Jenny. Girl, that corner is sharp. They said, look, I'm gonna drink and drive my John Deere tractor. Dude! You can't run over the cameraman. Wait, like it's the cops. Whoop whoop! Ma'am, can I see your license and registration?
Does this constitute as drinking and driving?
Yes. It really does.
Actually, it
It's
does.
not motor, it's
Oh, you bitch! You hit the truck. Look, evidence.
I tried to stop.
Evidence. There's bumper contact.
That's why you should not drink and drive.
This is a good video to show to kids. She's like, wait,
On
I
that
need
note-
something out of my purse.
She drinks some more. Oh shit, move. Because I'm behind her.
Oh!
It's still recording.
Ma'am, license and registration.
Look at this. She got. Wait. She got the sirens. Whoop, whoop.
Oh. This is what happens whenever you play.
Hold on.
Really? Still no crap. I'm stuck. Oh hell!
Wait. She can't run from the cops. She's stuck. Here, wait. I'm gonna move all that shit. Hold the camera. Don't drive nowhere. Hold the camera. Hold on. Wait. I gotta back up. Oh shit, my butt! I'm serious. Hurry up! I can't. Bitch, I'm trying to run from the road. I'm trying to help you run. Hold the camera. Hold the camera.
I can change my noises
What the
too.
fuck y'all got in here? It's fucking heavy. They're really gonna think we're here.
Alright, I can make it.
I can't even go. You can make it now.
Okay.
Give me. Wait.
Oh, dang.
To die. Can you push?
Sorry.
Wait, here. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. And she's still drinking. Oh! Hold on. Oh my foot. Hold on. Dude, turn the wheel. Turn it to the left.
Oh my butt hurts.
On the side of the street.
She needs a toe. Hold on.
It's broken.
You need a toe.
Hit the gas. Dude, I'm like. Okay.
Hit the reverse.
Oh, wait.
Back up.
Okay. Wait, is there a cop coming? Alright.
It's not a cop.
I need somebody to move my butt. Not back in. No, look.
I said hit the reverse.
It's like a U-Haul.
Hit the reverse. Where's the button for the reverse? Hit the fuck up this truck.
Jenny, the damn thing is fixing
Alright, I just dropped my tailgate.
literally.
Well, maybe I shouldn't have it in high gear.
No, you're drinking and driving. Look, wait. And she's got the beer. See the beer right there? Cheers to that.
My beer's gone, I'm dead.
This video is 8 minutes and 47 seconds long.
My butt hurts.
And she ditches the vehicle. And I got that.
Alright, Lily.
Look, and it was only one game of beer pong and all of that shit just